You may not be aware of it, but every single day, a handful of traders makes a lot of money on the stock markets, even during times of economic crises. So we're going to have a closer look at how they do it. First, understand that trading financial assets works exactly like real estate. When prices go down, you buy, and when they go up, you sell. However, there are two different ways to bet on the stock markets. You can buy stocks to resell them at a higher price later on, but in this case, it all depends on supply and demand, and the stock price could decrease even further and never get back to the price at which you bought it. A second option is to follow the trend, buying when the price is rising and selling when the price is falling. This is exactly what this handful of traders is doing, winning large amounts of money by making bets on the stock market with a single click of a button. And to make a long story short, they play against the system. The strategy they use is pretty simple, yet it's very smart. They know that if a stock price is falling, it means that most people in the market are trying to get rid of it. This creates a strong pressure on the downside, allowing traders to make a quick profit by betting on the price dropping further for a short period of time. The opposite works just as well. They know that if a stock price is rising, it means that most people in the market are trying to buy it. This creates a strong pressure on the upside, allowing traders to make a quick profit by betting on the price rising further for a short period of time. On a few sites, traders place these bets in a single click and from home. So now that we're done with the theory, let's have a look at how this works in reality.
As you can see, I am now logged in. At the bottom left of the screen, you can see my current balance, $5,394 USD. I started around 2 months ago with a $500 deposit. I reached $1,000 after only 5 days of trading, decided to withdraw $500 and kept the remaining balance on the site to trade more. 2 months later, that's where I'm at, above the $5,000 mark. Pretty good, isn't it? Now, let me show you how I did it. On the left here, you can see all the assets that we will trade in order to make money. You notice here that the next expiry for all these trades is at 6:15 p.m. Right now, as indicated on the right side of the screen, it is almost 6:07 p.m. What that means is that all the trades we are going to open now will be closed in about 8 minutes. I start by clicking on the first asset, Euro or USD. The chart on the right indicates that this currency pair is clearly on an upside trend. The price is definitely going up. Since we're dealing with an upside trend, I click on the High button right there. Then I choose the amount I want to bet. Note that $100 is a good amount for me because I have a few $1,000s on my account. If you have a smaller balance, choose a smaller bet. Finally, I click on the Buy button. The position is now open and appears in the Open Trade section right there. Let's keep going. The next asset is GBP or USD. This one is on a neutral trend. As you can see, the price is moving sideways. No real trend can be defined. Therefore, we skip it and move right on to the next one, Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is on a downside trend. Not a strong one, but the price is still going down overall and it's easily noticeable. Nothing else matters. Since it's a downside trend, we click on the Low button and bet $100. The trade is placed and appears in the Open Trade section. Next one, Euro or GBP. This chart definitely shows an uptrend. Again, it's not really strong, but the price is definitely going up overall. Since we're dealing with an upside trend, I click on the High button and bet $100 as usual. That's it. We can move on to the next one, which is GBP or JPY. This chart is showing a downside trend. The price is moving up towards the end, but overall is still down. And what do we do when the price is going down? We bet on low. That's what we do. So I click on the Low button and bet $100. Okay, I think you understand how that works now, so I'm just going to speed up the video while I get into a few more trades. Back in a bit. And I'm back. A total of 8 trades have been placed, using the charts to find trends exactly as I showed you. 6 bets are on the downside and 2 on the upside. As you can see, it is now almost 6:11 p.m. and the expiry of all our trades is at 6:15 p.m. In other words, our trades will be closed in approximately 4 minutes. My balance is currently $4,594, which is my starting balance of $5,394 minus 8 trades at $100 each. So what I'll do now is pause the video and restart it when the expiry is near, so that you don't have to wait. Hey again, I'm back. Almost 4 minutes have passed and we are seconds away from the expiry. My balance is still $4,594, and we are now almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, expiry. That's it. All the trades are closing now, and we'll see in a few seconds how it went. Let's wait a bit. There you go. As you can see, I have won 6 out of the 8 trades I placed, which is exactly the average result I get when trading with this strategy. Obviously, you won't win all the trades. Nobody can win 100% of the time. It would be way too easy. In some sessions, you will win all of your trades, while in some others, you might lose 50% of your trades. It doesn't matter. What really matters is in the medium to long run, you win more often than you lose. That's how you make money. So let's have a look at my balance, $5,670. I started with a balance of $5,394, which is a net profit of exactly $276. Not bad at all. If you go to Trade History, you can see all the trades that I placed in that last session, the amounts won and lost. What's really amazing is the little time it takes to make nice amounts of profits like I did here. I placed the first trade about 10 minutes ago, and I'm now looking at $276 in net profits. And if I want to, I can start the next session right now. I hope you enjoyed watching me demonstrate how well the trend following strategy works. Have fun with it and start making money now.